Hello guys. Today I'm going to introduce you to someone, that girl that you can see there, right? So let's see who she is. Oh, she's saying hello, hello. My name is Anna. Hello Anna, nice to see you. Anna, do you have any idea what's the weather today? What's the weather? Is it rainy? What's the weather today? Can we help Anna? What's the weather today? Let's see. Is it sunny or rainy or windy or cloudy or snowy today? What do you think? How about you guys? You use your finger and you point to the correct weather. What do you think? I think it's cloudy today, at least in Valparaiso. And Anna, what's the day today? And guys, what day is it today? Is it Monday, Tuesday? Oh, there you go. Or Wednesday, or Thursday, or Friday, or Saturday, or Sunday. What day is it today? Do you have any idea? What day is it? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday? Anna is happy to see the days of the week. It's good. Okay, so Anna, how are you feeling today? Is she angry? Look, she's angry. Angry. Or kind of confused. Oh, we're sad. Anna is sad. Are you sad? No, you're not. And she is not. She is very happy. I'm happy today. How are you? How are you today, guys? Are you happy as well? Okay, today we're going to try to remember some things that we learned before and about school. And I want to make sure that you do remember, okay? So let's see. And I say let's remember. I'm going to show you a picture. Anna's going to show you a picture and you're going to guess what it is in English. Okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1. What's that? That's a... It's a pencil. There you go. It's a pencil. Good job. How about what's this? Do you remember? What's this? This is a rubber. It's a rubber. How about this? What's this? Do you remember? It's a school bag. A school bag. There you go. Perfect. How about this? What's this? Do you have any idea? What's this? You have pencils inside. It's a pen. It's a pencil case. It's a pencil case. Correct. Very good. Pencil case. And we also have new words. Look at this. There is a notebook to write your notes. Notebook. And there is a chair. Can you repeat after me? So, chair, notebook. Chair, notebook. Very good, guys. Good job. Anna, do you have anything new again for me? It's chair, it's a notebook, right? How about... New more words. So we have a crayon, and a ruler. So a crayon, and a ruler. Very good. Crayon and ruler. Good job. Anna is very happy. You did it amazing. Very good. So now guys, you're going to check a video that I sent you about a girl at school. She lives in London, and so I'm going to show you the video. Let's see. We're going to go part by part real quickly and check about the characters and the story. Good? Let's see. So here we have a girl. She's walking towards school, and Daddy's taking a picture. She's very happy, right? She is happy. Oh, wait a minute. What color is her school bag? What color is her school bag? Do you have an idea? What color is her school bag? Yes, it's blue. It's a blue school bag. Very good. Okay, she's at school now. Lots of classmates, they're all playing. Wait, what color is her jacket? Do you have an idea what color is her jacket? What color is her jacket? It's pink. Very good. It's pink. Good job. So here we have a classroom. There's a boy, there's a girl. What are the names of the girls and the boy? What is her name? And what's his name? Do you have an idea? You listen and you remember, okay? This is their classroom. Like your classroom, very similar, see? And here we have the teacher. So it's a teacher, right? Remember, this is in England. Okay, so probably this girl is a new student, right? They're going to read a... What are they going to read? They're going to read a... What's that? A book. They're going to read a book. And there is something red there. A red over there. Can you see it? There is a red. Do you have an idea? This is a red. It's a red pencil case. Very good. Good job. Nice. She is writing with a pencil. What color is that pencil? It's a black pencil, right? How's the weather there? How's the weather? Is it sunny or rain or cloudy? How's the weather there? It's rainy. So they're going to play inside, right? Good. They have games to play. What do you do when it's raining? When you're at home? What do you play with? Do you have a favorite toy? Nice. Good. So let's see. They're going to have lunch now. They're going to have lunch. Good. Perfect. So she is eating, oh, sorry. She is drinking. He is eating a sandwich. Yum, yummy. A sandwich. Yes, a sandwich. They're doing homework. And then they're preparing to leave. So they're going to clean up. Do you remember? Clean up, everybody, let's clean up. Just like in class. They're cleaning up because they're saying goodbye. See? And there is that again. There is Daddy again. He's very happy to see them. Good. So, guys, I sent you this worksheet. And what I want you to do is to look at the video again and to find out the order of this. What's the correct order? So, what happens first goes in number 1. So, inside the circle, you're going to write number 1. What happens then, secondly? What happens then? And what happens at the end? Do you remember? Watch the video, listen, and pay attention and do your homework. See? So we have here Daddy taking a picture. So that's number 1. That's the first thing that happens in the video, right? What's next? What happens next? You have all this photograph. So you don't need to print this. You can write it in your notebook. So you write letter A, number, blah, blah, blah. Letter B, number 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Letter C, number 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. And letter D and letter E. Okay? Okay, guys. That's it. Thank you so much for listening. Oh, sorry. I'll see you on our next video, and I hope you're doing amazing and good and enjoy your holidays. Kisses and hugs, and bye bye. Take care.